Now, the political fight is getting more personal this election season after Uma Bharti warned Robert Vadra. Now, the BJP looks to build on her comment, hinting at the formation of an accountability panel. Here are the reactions coming in on this story throughout the day.
I think it has to then begin with Mr. Narendra Modi, who's the fountainhead of crony capitalism and rampant corruption in Gujarat. Bharatiya Janata Party is frustrated currently and is resorting to half-truth, innuendos and threats. Congress will not buckle down under any such threats or innuendos because people of this country will decide who is going to run this government. The threats, innuendos and blackmail will not. If crony capitalism and benefiting a handful of industrialists in the process of so-called Gujarat model or development is not corruption, I seem to wonder then what is corruption.
जहाँ पर जनधन की लूट से जुड़े हुए सवाल हैं, जहाँ पर सीरियस करप्शन से जुड़े हुए सवाल हैं, जहाँ पर जिसकी वजह से देश के आम लोगों के गाढ़ी कमाई के पैसे को बेशर्मी और बेदर्दी के साथ लूटा गया है, उन तमाम मुद्दों पर गंभीरता से तो विचार होगा। उसके संबंध में जब सरकार बनेगी, हमारा संकल्प है कि हम पारदर्शी सरकार देंगे, एक ईमानदार सरकार देंगे, जनता के सरोकार को समर्पित सरकार देंगे, और जब सरकार बनेगी तो निश्चित तौर से इन तमाम चीज़ों पर चर्चा होगी।
There are sufficient laws to curb corruption. RTI is there, Lokpal is there. No more laws are required. And as far as this statement is concerned, if they come to power, only then they want to abolish. But they are not coming to power at all. So during election, they are free to give any statement. But I assure you, there is no question for NDA to come back to power.
They are saying now, after 3 years, they've woken up. I think it will be good for BJP if they would have passed Jan Lokpal bill in its original form.
Is AAP prepared for such a commission if it comes?
Jan Lokpal bill is the answer. Jan Lokpal bill is the answer. BJP and the Congress, they are fully into corruption.
Congress
they will not come out of it. So it's just a false promise they are making.